So I'll be doing this video for the withdrawal stuff of Hamster Kombat. So you click on Airdrop, then click on withdrawal. So I'll be doing for Bybit first. Bybit. You click on Bybit, you click yes, I have it. Please hope you know that you are using a verified Bybit account. Don't use an account that is yet to be verified. If not, or here is your case. I need to take note that linking of wallet started today and it's going to end on the 21st. While 24th of September is Bybit confirmation / climb. I pray that our own will be confirmed too and not decline. So there are three things that are needed here. First one is your Bybit UID. The second one is the Hamster deposit address. The third one is the memo. So let's go to our Bybit account. Once you're on your Bybit account, don't move. It's all right. Once you're your Bybit account, on your home page, you click on deposit. You click on deposit crypto. Then here you type HMST out. You can see it's already appearing and start. You click on it. So you click as the network. You click OK. Then sorry. We have to copy the UID first. Let's go back to copy the UID. So to copy your UID, you click on this image. You can see the UID here. You copy it. Then you go back to your Hamster. You paste it here. You go back again to copy the deposit address. You click on deposit crypto. Hamster is already shown. It's already shown here. You search for it. HMST. Oh, that was sir. Yes, sir. So you click on it. Hamster. The turn as network. Okay. Then you copy the address, which is this. Come back. You paste the address. You paste it here. You go back to copy the memo, which is this tag memo. You copy it. Then you paste it. Before you save and confirm, they said after choosing, you cannot change withdrawal option. So before you save and choose, make sure that the three things you copied here, they are correct. So once they are correct, click on save and change. Then wait until the thing is done. But now it might not process immediately. Just try it in the middle of the night. Sure you get. Thank you. This particular video is for those that want to link their Binance to their Hamster Kombat. So once you click on Airdrop, click on Binance. Then you click yes, I have it. Once you click on yes, I have it, the two things we need is the Hamster deposit address and the memo. So you go to your Binance. You go to your Binance, then you click on home. You click on add funds. You click on deposit crypto. Then you search for Hamster HMSTR. See it's Hamster. Then click turn on as network fee. Okay. Now we have the deposit address, we have the memo. So I'll click on the address first. Then I'll go back to my Hamster Kombat. I'll paste the address here. Then I'll go back to Binance to copy the memo. The memo is this number. Copy it. Then I'll go back to my Hamster. I will paste it. So after pasting it, then I'll click on save because it is Binance I want to. So I'll click on save and choose. So the request is processing. Let's just wait and see how far. But you did not connect. You have to repeat the process again. That's how it works. You have to repeat the process again. That's it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Thank you.